Hey, also I'm buying chickens. So I'm looking for some chickens, and then I'm gonna show y'all me looking for a cage. Okay. All these chickens look so cute, especially the baby ones. They're totally my thing. Yeah. I can't wait. I'm just looking. What is a light Brianna? Blada. Blada. Brianna. I'm just gonna be looking. Hmm. Hmm. I did some looking. I didn't see that much. I'm just gonna be looking more down. Nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna get the chicken. These baby chickens that cost $5. I hope it's not a scam because I'm buying it. They're so cute. I can't wait to see you in my room. Wait, okay, I'm gonna set that chicken like